I'm Jeffrey Nagel,
And I'm Robin Whitaker.
and we're here at 668 Glendale Avenue in Ashland for a quick tour.
And we're doing an open house on Saturday, 1 to 3. And we're here inside at 668 Glendale Avenue. There's a lot of great light in here. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 level, 2,144 square feet. Opens out onto great views of the backyard, and we are on a nice, quiet cul-de-sac.
The house features a beautiful open floor plan kitchen with lots of light. Beautiful views out through the window here onto the park. Downstairs, down a few stairs, is a sunken living room, and the kitchen flows beautifully into a light-filled dining room.
The sunken living room is my favorite room in the house. It's just off the kitchen, and right in front of me you can see the private patio and the quiet backyard. Behind me there's great views of the park and also the mountains beyond. High ceilings, gives it a lot of natural light, great spacious feel, and it is right off the kitchen.
I love the backyard. It's a quiet space. I love that you can sit here under the arbor and have breakfast, and I also love that it's right off of the sunken living room.
The bedrooms are bright and light-filled. Come see us tomorrow at an open house, 1 to 3 Saturday.